and welcome. In this video, we are diving deep into financial statement analysis examination focus. A critical skill you will need not only for ICAN case study exams, but also a real-world finance and accounting rule applications. Whether you are preparing for ICAN case study or refining your skills as a finance professional, understanding how to analyze financial statements quickly and effectively is a game changer. Let's unlock the secrets to not just mastering the numbers, but showcasing your analytical and communication skills to secure top-notch marks in the exam and set up yourself for success in the professional world. Let's dive in, shall we? And let's look very briefly into the exam focus of the finance or financial statement analysis. Okay, if you can see my screen now, I've got mini as usual. All right, so to be successful in financial statement analysis in the case study exams, you will need to take note of these points. Number one, carry out a meaningful initial analysis like we've looked at in previous videos of the financial statements in order to identify these key factors. So the initial analysis is very important. You're looking at the bird's view area of the financial statement analysis first to identify these key factors. Use these key factors to determine the work you will carry out in your detailed analysis. So initially, you've noted one or two things. So those things should metamorphose into your detailed analysis and what you're looking out for from those extracts. This is very important. So your detailed analysis in line with the requirements of the examination requirements or what you have been asked to speak to or analyze based on the first and the second requirement. Ensure that you understand the wider context, the external environment in which the business operates, the economy notwithstanding. So the PEST tool is one of your key tools or strategic performance tools you should use to examine the wider context of the business. Read the case study requirements very carefully and make sure you address them very, very importantly. And only answer the aspects requested, but answer all of them. Don't only answer the aspects requested, answer everything you have been required to address. Very, very important. So read the case study requirement, understand and comprehend what the examiner wants, and be able to answer the aspects requested very, very comprehensively. Prepare clearly relevant appendices of ratios and any other numerical information or financial data have been provided in any of the requirements. Make sure you prepare this and communicate those numbers in writing. Bring forward the key information from the appendices and integrate them into your report. So your report is the first thing the examiner sees and the appendix is the last thing. So make sure you have the appendices prepared and a very clearly communicated report in your document. Explain logically and in easily understandable English the analysis you have performed. So transcribe the numbers into your financial story that can be easily followed by the audience or the examiner. Don't use gibberish or high intellectual terms. This would end up making you lose marks. Use comprehensive language, easy English that can communicate your thoughts very, very easily. Evaluate your own analysis, read through your documents, and apply judgments to the result. State your conclusions under a heading, very important. You should have a special heading and present your reasonable relevant recommendation in another heading. Don't mix them together. Your conclusion should clearly label, this is what you arrived at, this is what you are stating as the problem. And your recommendation should also have a clear header, this is what you are recommending to as the solution to those conclusions, which are the problem, and make it smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realizable, and timely. Make your recommendations smart, and you ace the exams with ease and speedily. Finally, provide compelling evidence of your financial statements, analytical skills, and financial fluency, communication skills by writing your report logically in a language that the recipient of the report would read and comprehend. Very important. Make sure your financial fluency is practiced. And this does not come from the blues. It comes from detailed and rigorous practice of financial statement analysis, report writing, communication and analytical skills before the day of the exams. So go through past diets, past reports. They are there. I've attached a lot in the videos and debriefs I've done with different students on my YouTube channel. Go ahead, explore these resources, listen to the reports, read the reports, and take responsibility to ace this exam very, very seamlessly. It's easy to pass, and I also say humorously, it's easy to fail. It depends on how responsible and how much you are able to give yourself to practice, practice, and practice. Don't use technical jargons or gibberish or high intellectual language or English when writing your report, or you overcomplicate your sentence. You also lose marks in this process. Write in short, succinct sentences with 2 or 3 sentences or related key points per paragraph. Make sure you are communicating effectively, clearly, and your points are very, very, very sharp. Thank you, and that is a wrap-up on financial statement analysis and the final video on Module 2 of our financial statement analysis. Long discussion. It's been a long ride, and now you know how to break down financial statements effectively for your case study exams. You are equipped to tackle the challenges with confidence. Remember, it's not just about crunching the numbers. I've overemphasized, I've been saying that and reiterating it unequivocally. It's about making those numbers tell a clear and meaningful story. Keep practicing, which is the key to mastery and perfection. Stay focused and make sure you apply these skills in real work scenarios for long-term success. For more tips and expert insights, don't forget to like, subscribe. You can ask your questions. I would like to hear your thoughts on these videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates. Keep mastering your profession and taking your career to new heights. That would be a wrap-up of Financial Statement Analysis Module 2 or Chapter 2, as you wish to call it. See you next time in the next module, which is Financial Data Analysis. That will be another long series of videos, so make sure you stay tuned, and until next time, bye for now.